Hey everyone, welcome back to Scoper 360. If you're into firearms, precision shooting, or just love seeing top-tier gear in action, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support the team. It really helps us keep bringing you content like this. Now let's talk revolvers. When it comes to wheel guns, precision is often the deciding factor between a good shot and a great one. But in 2025, with so many models flooding the market, how do you know which ones truly stand out? Is it the build quality, the trigger feel, or maybe how well they handle under pressure? Today on Scoper 360, we're diving deep into the 5 most accurate revolvers you can buy this year. Not just based on specs and materials, but real-world performance, user experience, and what truly makes them special. From modern powerhouses to refined classics, these aren't just tools, they're engineering statements. Stick around as we count down from number 5 to the absolute best revolver of 2025. You might be surprised by what takes the top spot. Number 5. Dan Wesson 715. Kicking off our list is the Dan Wesson 715, a revolver that blends flexibility with surprising precision at a reasonable price point. Chambered in 357. Magnum. It delivers tight shot groups even with standard factory ammunition. What really sets it apart is the interchangeable barrel system. You can switch between a compact 2.5-inch barrel for concealment, or go all the way up to 6 or even 8 inches for extended range accuracy. That kind of modularity is rare in revolvers and gives shooters more control over how they want their gun to perform. The heavy barrel shroud and full underlug help absorb recoil, which means quicker follow-up shots and better comfort over time. The factory 6-inch barrel with a vent rib isn't just about looks, it adds rigidity and improves cooling during long sessions. The trigger is smooth and predictable in both single and double action, offering a level of control that even beginners will appreciate. Add in adjustable target-style sights and ergonomic rubber grips, and you get a revolver that performs far above its price class. Objectively, it's a versatile and accurate platform. Subjectively, it feels like a workhorse that punches well above its weight. As of 2025, you can find the Dan Wesson 715, priced around $1,200, depending on barrel configuration and finish. If you're looking for a dependable and customizable revolver that doesn't break the bank, this one definitely earns its place on the list. Let me know when you're ready for number 4. Number 4. Colt King Cobra Target. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the Colt King Cobra Target, a revolver that proves accuracy doesn't have to come in a bulky package. Chambered in 357 Magnum, and also compatible with 38 Special, this revolver delivers solid performance in a sleek and manageable frame. What makes the King Cobra Target shine is its 4.25-inch vent rib barrel, with a full underlug that adds just the right amount of front-end weight to keep recoil in check without making it front-heavy. The trigger breaks cleanly in single action and feels smooth and predictable in double action, which really helps when you're aiming for consistent shot placement. One of the standout features is its red fiber optic front sight, combined with a fully adjustable rear sight. Target acquisition is fast and accurate, and you can even swap the front sight for a different style if you want to fine-tune your setup. Then there are the Ultima wood grips, designed not just for comfort but with style in mind. Featuring a silver Colt medallion on both sides, they fit perfectly in the hand and elevate the entire shooting experience. From a technical perspective, it's a solid, well-balanced revolver. Personally, it feels premium without being pretentious, and it shoots like a dream. The all-steel construction gives it long-term durability and at around $1,000 stow, $1. 200 in 2025, it hits a sweet spot for those wanting something refined but reliable. If you're after a revolver that balances precision, beauty, and shootability, the King Cobra Target deserves your attention. Ready for number 3? Number 3. Smith & Wesson 686 Plus. Taking the third spot is the Smith & Wesson 686 Plus, a revolver that combines classic design with modern functionality and a touch of raw firepower. Built on the medium-heavy L frame, it's designed to handle full power, 357 Magnum rounds while also accepting 38, special for lighter shooting. What makes the 686 Plus stand out is its 7-round cylinder, giving you one extra shot over traditional 6 shooters, which might just matter in a high-stress moment. The 4 to 6-inch barrel options come with a full underlug that adds weight, soaking up recoil and helping you stay locked on target. But it's not just about brute strength. The trigger in single action breaks cleanly at around 3.5 pounds, while the double action pull remains smooth and manageable. That balance between power and control is what makes this revolver such a joy to shoot. From a quality standpoint, the 686 Plus is built from stainless steel and finished in a sleek satin polish. It's tough, corrosion-resistant, and built to last whether you're shooting in the rain or keeping it stored long-term. The rubber grip is another high point. It's ergonomic, non-slip, and performs well in wet or cold conditions. Sight-wise, you get a fully adjustable rear and a red ramp front sight, making it easy to dial in precision. Objectively, this revolver is rock solid. Subjectively, it feels like a revolver that can handle anything you throw at it and keep asking for more. With a 2025 price hovering around $950 to $1,100, it's not cheap, but it delivers serious value. If you're after performance, capacity, and rugged reliability, the 686 Plus is a top-tier choice. Let me know when you're ready for number 2. Number 2. Manurhin MR73. Coming in at number 2 is the Manurhin MR73, a revolver that has earned legendary status for its unmatched precision and military-grade durability. Originally developed for French counterterrorism units, this revolver wasn't just built to impress on paper, it was made to perform under extreme pressure. Chambered in 357 Magnum, with the option to shoot a 38 Special and even 9mm Parabellum, using an interchangeable cylinder. The MR73 offers rare versatility in the revolver world. Every component is hand-fitted and thoroughly tested, which is why these revolvers are known to survive tens of thousands of rounds without a hitch. The trigger system is one of the smoothest you'll ever feel, fully adjustable in both single and double action. It features a unique roller bearing mechanism that gives each trigger pull a crisp and consistent break. Then there's the selection of barrel lengths from ultra-compact 2.5 inches all the way up to 10 inches, making it one of the most adaptable platforms on the market. Accuracy is further enhanced by cold hammer, forged barrels, and tight tolerances. And the factory-installed ergonomic grips do a great job at reducing recoil and keeping your aim steady. On the objective side, it's a revolver that competes with custom shotguns straight out of the box. Subjectively, it feels like a precision instrument more than a firearm, smooth, balanced, and refined. It's not for the casual shooter, though. With prices ranging from $3,000 to over $4,000, depending on the configuration in 2025. The MR73 is an investment. But if you want a revolver that combines the soul of a classic with the mechanics of a modern masterpiece, this is as close to perfection as it gets. Let me know when you're ready to move on to number 1. Number 1. Freedom Arms Model 83. Taking the top spot on our list is the Freedom Arms Model 83, a revolver that redefines what precision and craftsmanship mean in 2025. This is not just a firearm, it's a statement of engineering excellence. Built from solid American stainless steel and machined to extremely tight tolerances, the Model 83 offers legendary accuracy, capable of stacking rounds into tight groups at 50 yards and beyond. Available in a wide range of powerful calibers, such as .154 Casull .475 Linebaugh and .500 Wyoming Express, it's made to handle serious shooting without compromise. The revolver also comes in various barrel lengths, from short options for carry or close quarters use to longer barrels, designed purely for accuracy and hunting. What separates the Model 83 from the rest isn't just the build quality, it's the consistency. Every part fits perfectly, resulting in a revolver that feels solid, balanced, and absolutely reliable. You can choose between the field-grade version, made for rugged use in the field, and the premier grade, a polished and refined model that looks as impressive as it shoots. The single-action trigger is incredibly crisp with virtually zero creep, allowing for precise control on every shot. Objectively, the Freedom Arms Model 83 stands in a league of its own in terms of construction and ballistic performance. Subjectively, it feels like the kind of revolver you only buy once in a lifetime, because nothing else quite compares. It's not cheap, with prices starting around $2,500 and climbing above $3,500 for premier models in 2025. But what you get is pure, uncompromising quality. For shooters who demand nothing but the best, the Model 83 is the ultimate revolver on the market today. Let me know when you're ready for the conclusion to close out the video. So there you have it, 5 of the most accurate revolvers you can buy in 2025. From the modular strength of the Dan Wesson 715 to the refined perfection of the Freedom Arms Model 83. Each of these revolvers brings something unique to the table. Some are built for versatility, some for beauty, and others for sheer performance. Whether you're a collector, a competitive shooter, or someone who just appreciates precision engineering, there's something on this list worth adding to your collection. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these revolvers would you trust to make that perfect shot? Have you tried any of them? Or do you think we missed one that deserves a spot on the list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.